Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the hardware so you don't chase ghosts. Plug in your headset, open system sound, and confirm input and output levels register. Once done, quit other voice apps like Discord or Steam Voice because they can steal the mic. Make sure the VR runtime and Among Us VR are updated. Mismatched versions cause protocol errors. You need a clean environment before changing in-game settings, so don't skip this step. It prevents wasted troubleshooting later. Now you move into the game. Open Among Us VR audio settings and explicitly select your headset's mic and speaker from the device lists. Automatic selection often picks the wrong device. Choose push-to-talk if you have background noise or open mic for convenience, and then set mic volume between 70 and 90% so it's loud but not clipped. If you hear distortion, lower volume or enable mic boost sparingly. Make a small test call in a lobby to verify clarity before joining a match. Finish by checking network and last resort fixes. If voice drops or you can't hear others, inspect NAT type and allow UDP traffic. Strict NAT can block voice packets. Restart both headset and PC to clear stale audio services and rejoin a private lobby to confirm success. If problems remain, reinstall audio drivers or use the game client's verify/repair option to replace corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily switch to another mic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.